Hi everybody, you are back in my kitchen. This is Stephanie. You're in Stephanie's kitchen. Thank you all very much for coming and joining me, and thank you for all of you who subscribe and keep watching me. I appreciate that. I'm over 400, I'm like 440 or something like that this morning, so I really appreciate you guys hanging with me. Now I'm going to get into this. I'm going to make some chicken Parmesan with some spaghetti sauce. That's how we eat it around here. So I'm going to show you how we do it, and or how you buy it at the Italian restaurant. You know, that's how we would do it. So I'm going to show you. Anyway, I have about probably I have 4 slices of chicken that's probably about a pound, almost a pound and a half of chicken breast. And I cleaned it, I seasoned it, and I seasoned it with some basil, some oregano, some ground thyme, some sea salt, some garlic and parsley, some onion powder, and I seasoned it with all of that stuff. Then now what I'm going to do actually is put some olive oil in my pan, you know. Turn on my heat a little. Some olive oil in here. Some roasted garlic, olive oil in here. Now it's not gonna, I just need to get everything brown. I don't need everything cooked. I just need it brown because I'm going to stick it in my toaster oven today. It's warm today, so I'm going to stick it in the toaster oven, and we're going to work like that. So let me just get this thing hot, get it a little warm. I just put enough oil just to cover the bottom. That's all I'm really trying to do. While this is getting hot, I have an egg wash, which is 3 eggs and a splash of milk. And I'm just going to beat that up good. That's all we really need. Okay, I'm going to take my seasoned chicken breast. I'm going to put it in the egg wash. And then I'm going to put that egg wash. Put this chicken, I should say. Put this chicken into some breadcrumbs that I already have here. I'm going to stick. And I put things on foil paper because it just makes it easier to clean up. So I just put it on foil paper, and I don't need to use a whole lot of dishes. I don't need to use a lot of dishes. So what I'm doing is seasoning this thing, waiting for this oil to get hot. So I'm going to season them all up. By the time I get them all seasoned up, they should be ready. We should be able to put them in the pan. So that's only 4, so we get them in here. And I use my hands because it's just easier. My hands are clean. I use my hands. I cook with my hands. I clean my hands. I cook with my hands and I clean. I'm going to move this over, actually, like that, so we can see everything. Okay. So I had about a half a cup, maybe about a half a cup of breadcrumbs in here. So this breadcrumb is with garlic and herbs. I like the garlic flavor. So I think this is already hot, so I'm going to put one in. And it's almost hot. It's getting there. Yep. By the time I finish with the other 2, if I don't have enough breadcrumbs, I will put more in here. That's all. You want to start out with the least amount that you need with breadcrumbs, and then you want to add whatever you might need, but you won't be wasting too much. Okay, so I'm going to stick you in. I'm going to stick her in. She's already done. And I got one more to do. Plus I'm going to add a little bit more breadcrumbs. Just a drop. And when I season things, I like to season it in layers, because if I'm seasoning it in layers, you know, all the seasoning is going to be in every bite. And for me, chicken needs a lot of seasoning. Chicken in general needs it just doesn't have much flavor. So you need to give it some flavor with as much seasoning as you can put on here. So that's why I like chicken parm, because chicken parm really I could put a lot of flavor in it, and you know, and we can all eat it very nicely. Let me just, I'm kind of crowding the pan, but I just needed to get brown. So let that get brown on both sides. And see how cleanup is so much easier? Just take all this foil and I'm in good shape. I like that. I don't want too much cleanup. So this should be brown. I give it about a minute or two on one side, and we'll turn it over for another 2 minutes. It should be brown, and then I'm going to put it in another pan. Well, I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been on for about 2 minutes on one side, and I'm turning them over now. And they're nice and brown, really pretty, very nice. Okay, it needs another 2 minutes, I think, on one side, on that side, and it'll be fine. But if you can see how pretty they are right now, they're not done. They just got a nice color right now. They're going in my oven for about 40 minutes until it's done, and about on 350. I'll put it on 350. As a matter of fact, I'm going to turn my oven on right now so that it can get hot. So let's see. Put it on. So my oven is on bake. I'm turning the temperature up to 350, and I'm going to give it some more time. I put it on for like 45 minutes. That should be perfect, actually. So I'm going to turn it on and let it get hot. This is my Breville toaster oven. And I tell you, when it's warm outside, or whenever you just really don't want to turn the oven on, and you don't want to get the whole house hot, this is a good thing to use. So I'm turning the oven on now so it can get to temperature. By the time I'm finished with this, it should be up to temperature and I can put it in. And today I'm using a foil pan to make my cleanup a little easier. I'm just using this foil pan. I sprayed it with some canola oil, so when it sticks at the bottom, that's what I want. And actually, I'm going to open up a jar of pasta sauce, roasted garlic. Use whatever pasta sauce you want to use. Make your own, whatever you want. Okay, this is going to get. All right. There we go. All right, I'm going to put a little pasta sauce at the bottom of this pan. So when I take them out, I'm going to put them right on top of it. Just right on top. Okay, I think that is done. Look at that, beautiful brown. I'm going to stick it right on top of the sauce. And I think this pan is perfectly the right size for these 4 pieces. So that's all I'm doing is 4 pieces today. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, now, Here's my other piece. I'm going to try to fit them all in here because I don't want to use another big pan. I just want to do a little. All right, we had them on for maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes for both sides. Now what I'm going to do is put some Parmesan cheese on top of it. And then I'm going to put some mozzarella on top. Let's see. There we go. Okay, this is Parmesan. Put that right on top. To give it some nice cheesy flavor and taste. Actually, it smells really, really good. So we're going to have this for dinner. So I want to put that all on here. And then I'm going to put on some mozzarella cheese. Want some mozzarella. Put some mozzarella all over it. Yeah. You can buy this stuff frozen, in the store, chicken Parmesan stuff. But all you have to do is get some real fresh chicken and put that and try it like this. And it doesn't even take that long. It's a simple little recipe, quick. And your kids are getting ready to go to school, and people want to eat when they get home. And sometimes this is just easy. If you got time, not even time. If you come home, let's say there's my stove. If you come home, let's say at 5 o'clock, you can definitely have this done by 6 o'clock. Now, by 6:30, you should be able to eat. So what I'm going to do, got some sauce all over it. This is what makes it, the sauce. I'm taking it straight from the pan. I'm putting it right in. My oven went off, so I'm putting it right in. And I'll see you in about 45 minutes, and it should be perfectly done. Okay, see you later, people. Hi everyone, you are back in my kitchen. My chicken Parmesan is done. It stayed in my oven here for 45 minutes, and I just took it out. It's right here, and I'm going to give it a taste for you so you guys can see. But it looks beautiful to me. I'm going to just take, really I don't even want a big piece. I'm going to just take a piece of a piece. I'm going to just cut that like that. There we go. Took a little piece out for myself just to taste it. To me it looks good. I'm a little bit hungry. Look at the cheese on that. Excellent. It tastes good to me. You can take this, you can take a hero, put this on a hero. Boy, you got your chicken palm hero. Delicious. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining me. That's good. Thank you for joining me. I will see you the next time. I thank you for all the support you've given me, and hope that you continue to give me. And I'll try to get the content that you like out. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.